This is Kevin with Master Odor Removal in Brooklyn. I'm in Queens actually right now. I service the Queens area and at an apartment here, a 3-bedroom, inspecting the area first and going to give an estimate before I do the service. I can't really smell anything right now, but I'm going to check the entire area and see if there is a distinct smell of, I was told that there was a dog or pet odors. So I'm going to inspect the entire area, use my black light here, my handy black light, to check for any biological stains or odors, and we'll get back to the renter. Okay, this is the bedroom. I smell a very faint pet odor smell here. I'm checking with the black light, and here I don't really see anything, but then when I check on this wall, let's see, I check on this wall here, this area, I do see some here. You notice like there are a little bit of stains here. That could be the cause of some of the odors. There's also here on this side of the room, a little bit here, and so forth. Just a little faint glow, but I believe that I can take care and I can service this room. I don't really notice in any of the other rooms, although in the main area here, there's a little bit of smell as well, and I've noticed, it's kind of hard to see because it's well lit, but I do see there are some minor stains here, which could be a cause of some of the odors. So I will service these 2 rooms, and I will do it at a reduced rate. There's no need to do the entire area or the entire residence. And so this should be relatively simple and quick, and it's pretty clean overall, and I'll take care of it. And again, this is Master Odor Removal in Brooklyn. My name is Kevin, and I look forward to servicing the entire New York area, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Staten Island. I will take care of any odor issues that you might have in home, automobile, RV, boat, you name it. I will take care of it. If it has an interior enclosed area, garage or so, basement, I'm here for that, for complete odor removal. Thank you.